Hi friend, it's time for another Organizing Tip Tuesday. Be sure to subscribe for Organizing Tip Tuesdays, Financial Transformation Thursdays, and Organizing Session Saturdays. In today's quick tip, I am showing you how to save space when storing food storage containers. Whether you use a bin or a drawer, it is very helpful to have your lids stored vertically so that you can easily sift through them. In a separate drawer, or you can use a shelf, you can store the containers themselves. Here we have a thermal container for my daughter's lunches, and for the containers themselves, we save space by nesting them together. Not all of the containers are actually here, as some are being used in the refrigerator. Have you downloaded the November Home Organizing Challenge yet? It's never too late to get organized, so be sure to grab that from the description box below. We are focused on closets for the rest of the week, so now is the perfect time to start if your closets are jumbled. And be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you can know the moment my next video is up and never miss another organizing video. Happy organizing!